Alright, what we're going to look at here is, it's a common problem where you're given 2 points and asked to find the equation of the line containing those points and put it in slope-intercept form. So this here is an example that we're going to come back to. What we're going to essentially do is figure out how to solve this in 3 steps. First step is to find the slope. And so what we're going to do is use the given points to find that slope. So say here's our first point, x sub 1, y sub 1, and our second point, x sub 2, y sub 2. And then the slope, we'll call it m. It's just given by y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So that's the first step. Pretty straightforward. The next step is to use the point slope formula and put it in the form y minus b is equal to m x minus a. So now what this is saying, that if a line has a slope m, which we're going to solve for up here, then it contains the point a, b, and has this form here. So we'll just pick one of these points from the first step and we'll just call it AB. And then the third step will just be to solve for y. And that will give us our slope-intercept form. So let's come back to this guy here and then just run through the steps. So we'll just start out by writing down the points, which we have 3 and minus 1 and 2 and 9. So 3 minus 1, 2 and 9. So that's what we're given. Let's just pick one of these, call it x1, x2, y1, y2. So remember in the first step here, the slope is just y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we have what, 9 minus 1, and then x2 is 2 minus 3. So we have 9 minus a minus 1, so that's 9 plus 1. And then 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. So this is equal to minus 10. So that's our slope. So that's the first step. So now for the next step is using the point slope formula. We're going to put it in this form here using one of the points. We're just going to pick one. You'll get the same answer regardless of which point you choose. So we'll just use, say, 3 minus 1. So the point slope formula we're going to use three minus 1, say A and B. So we have y minus b is equal to m x minus a. So for us that means y minus b, which is minus 1, is equal to m, which is minus 10, x minus a, which is 3. Then we'll just go through this. So that's y minus a minus 1, y plus 1 is equal to minus 10x plus 30. So now, to put this in slope-intercept form, all we got to do is solve for y. So if you look at this side, we can just subtract 1 from both sides, and that will isolate y there on the left-hand side. So this will be our final answer. So y is equal to minus 10x plus 29.